it's me. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. And I show you some flower. There are so many flowers in here. I show you, okay? Come. This is good enough. There are so many flowers in there. I plucked some flower one. On this bee. And I show you some my sister. My sister is class A. Okay, wait. Sister, where are you? Her name is Lima Chunga. I cannot find him. Oh, I got idea. I got puppy so much. 6. I have 6 puppy. See? That's this one. And this one. See. And this one. And my baby dog one is baby pregnant. And I have only one boy. Oh, my sister is here. Oh my God. See. Hi. She's so happy. I show you some of big sister. She is so fat. Come. See. There is so big. Wow.